In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a message in Microsoft Teams. So for this, at first, just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams account. Then just go to your chats. And from chats, just find the chat where you want to delete a message. For example, let's say I want to delete this hey message that I just sent. Now how to delete it? Just hover over the message and click on the three dot icon. And after you do that, you'll find an option called delete. Just simply click on this to delete this message. And as you can see, this message has been deleted. And that's how you do it. And if you want to undo the action, what you have to do is just simply click on undo. This will bring back the message. But if you want to delete it again it's simple. Click on the three dot icon, which stands for more options. Then just click on delete. And the message will be deleted. And basically, that is how to delete a message from Microsoft Teams chat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.